In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can go about contacting Excel from within the sheet that you're working in with ease. So you might not realize this, but you can go to the Home tab at the top and then click on Contact Support and then reach out to customer support if you're having any issues with your Excel workbook or your account or whatever issues that you may have. You can reach out to support from within your spreadsheet. So you can say you can't contact support, but you can say, for example, XLOOKUP not working. For example, VLOOKUP not working. I don't know why it doesn't say I say XLOOKUP, but for example, VLOOKUP not working. How to use VLOOKUP. I hate VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is better, but to show you an example with this, as you can see, by clicking on how VLOOKUP is not working, it will send you to articles that you might find to be helpful. Use XLOOKUP instead, but if you want, you can click on Contact Support and actually open up a chat with someone in your browser, which is super helpful if, for example, you're having issues with your Microsoft Excel account or stuff is not saving right, whatever issue you might be having, you can contact support from within your spreadsheet and kind of streamline the process of getting help. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.